Alright, a very special hello to my supporters. This is an exclusive little video. I'm going to be showing you a very retro feature of this Tesla Model 3. Now, I got this for a really great price. Actually, it was cheaper than our 4-year-old Prius. And under Tesla financing, it was about 3.75% APR. It's a really good deal. And of course, it has all those cool features like self-driving and auto steering and collision avoidance, all that good stuff. For me, there was one feature in particular that stood out. I thought you'd like to take a look. So I haven't actually tried this feature before. Right now I have the navigation in Mars mode, and it will drive the rover around Mars as you drive. And as you can see, I've set up a nice little greeting here. Don't know who Michael is. But if you hit the Tesla icon and drag down, you get these Easter eggs. There's things like more cowbell, there's a sketch pad, thank you for your support, and I can publish that apparently. And also you've got a whoopee cushion, Christmas mode, romance mode, and Atari. Now I promise you I have not yet clicked on this. I wanted to share it at the same time with you guys, so let's try it out. That is cute. Looks like we've got some options of different games. This will come on. How do we play? I think it's to do with these. Start. Okay. Oh, that's fire. Okay. So we've got fire center. Push it to the right or push it to the left. And then... how do I move this thing? Oh, the steering wheel. I can steer. So I can actually steer my missile. So let's try this again. Probably not going to be using this a whole lot, let's be honest. The end. Thanks for watching. Well, that was interesting. Got a few more here. Lunar Lander. Do these actually do anything? How do these work? Where's my lander? Oh, there it is. Okay. Very small lander. So I can rotate it with the wheel here. I'm just going to let gravity do its thing. It's so small. No. Ah. Come on, I've got to do this now. Yeah, this is gonna suicide. Spectacular. We destroyed a 100 megabuck lander. No. Ah. Very slow. Go very slowly. Congratulations. The Eagle has landed. I think I prefer the Commodore 64 version. Let's see what else we've got. Centipede. Yes, it's downloading it. That's my only assumption. How does this work? Okay. Okay. Ah! Not a favourite game of mine. Millipede, it's got to be the same as Centipede, but a million times better. Fire to start. No. Interesting. Oh, now my favourite. Let's try asteroids. Stop. 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 How do I thrust? It needs an auto-fire function. Ah. Well, I'm going to leave you while I continue to play this. I've got to say, the controls are a little frustrating. Then again, it is just an Easter egg, and I love that they put it in here in the first place. Thrust. What do you think about this? Do you think it's game over for Elon Musk? Or do you like what you see? Let me know in the comments below this supporter exclusive post. And I'm going to get back to some real driving, albeit on Mars. Thanks so much for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Cheerio! Right. Oh, I'm out of fuel.